Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing this 613 40-inch wig that I got from Amazon. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Use hairspray, and then I'm going to take my fingers and spread it out. And I want to do at least 2 layers of it, but you want to make sure you use your blow dryer on hot setting so it can get tacky. Now it's time to lay down your lace. I'm going to use the end of my comb. This is way easier, but I'm going to do it in sections. As you can see, the lace is already laying down and giving scalp. Sometimes you need a little bit more hairspray because the ear tabs will be stubborn. So I'm just going to blow dry it. I'm going to have to cut some of the ear tabs because it's on my ear and it's not supposed to be on my ear at all. Then I'm going to add some more hairspray. Blow dry it on cool so it can dry. You don't want it tacky anymore at all. I'm going to take some hairspray and spray it onto the comb and mesh it into the lace so your lace can lay down even more. This is very important because if you don't do it, the end of your lace is going to lift up way faster. Now I'm going to push all the hair going to the back. Use my wax stick. Push everything going to the back. You don't want any hairs inside the lace. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and hot comb it, do this super slow so your wig can lay down flat. You don't want no humps and bumps. Put your hair in a ponytail because this is about to be easy. I want to put my elastic band on and I'm going to keep it on until I'm done editing this video. Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12, and I'm putting it on the lace. And as you can see, the lace is already disappearing and is giving my skin tone. This is what you want. Go in a darker shade, actually. Use hairspray, spray it on your fingers and tap it into the lace so it can melt more. This is like the third melt that I'm doing, and this is gonna give more scalp, and people is not gonna think that this is a wig. I'm a natural blonde. Now I'm gonna use my wax stick so it can lay down flat. Cause right now it's giving Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Take your hot comb, do this super slow so your wig can lay down flat. Use makeup inside the part so it can get more scalp, because if right now you're just seeing blonde, you want it to look brownish. Now it's giving scalp.